we can fight our desires. But when we stop making...
Hi guys, and welcome to an amazing pack opening. As you see, today we're gonna be opening some packs. Actually, I'm gonna be opening 19 packs. I don't know. I'm not gonna be opening the. Sorry for that. I'm not gonna be opening the team of the season packs, and that's because I don't have enough FIFA coins. But maybe tomorrow I'm gonna buy like maybe 800k coins, and we're gonna be able to open some team of the season packs. So today, I don't know how, this is the first time this happened to me. Oh Jesus! FIFA has given me 19 season ticket packs because I don't know, it says there, this is your reward park for purchasing season ticket. So we're gonna open these packs. I hope to get at least one good player from this pack, so wish me luck guys. Here we go. The first pack. Where are we gonna get? Oh my god. This was complete. Oh my god. Really people. Okay. I'm gonna stay with the fitness here. Oh my god. He was like. Oh my god. Okay. I hope this pack is gonna give me. Please. Give me something. Okay, Dante. This. Oh my god, my luck. Wish me luck, guys. Need to get someone good in this pack. Oh my god. Really? Check this, you never know. Never know, it's a silver player. Something. Okay. With the season ticket. Please! FIFA! Give me something good. Oh my god! We're getting nothing in this pack opening. Oh my god, we're getting nothing guys. Sorry for that one. Hey, please, give me something good. Oh my god, my pack luck is so damaged today. Stay with this. Okay. Oh my god, guys, I want to give you good players, so I can't, guys. Please. Oh my god. Okay, my Tweety. They're not. Okay, oh my god. I'm just gonna pick you something. Maybe. Oh my god. Maybe we're gonna be able to open a team of the season pack because right now I have 11,000 coins and we still have like 13 packs to open, so we're gonna be able to do that, guys. Okay, please give me something good, please. Oh my god, Felipe Santana. I'm just gonna keep you. There you go, player. Gonna keep you. Oh my god, guys, my pack luck. I wanna get someone good. Please. Hurry up. Oh my god, my pack left. Please, 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 please. Give me someone good. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's Senyo. It's my name. It's my name, yeah. That's all. Oh my god, guys. Sorry for this pack opening. This has been like totally nothing. We haven't get nothing in this whole pack opening. Oh, please. Caesar. Oh my god, guys. We haven't get nothing. It's totally nothing. Just Matuidi, I think. My best player here. Gandagan, I guess I'm gonna put him. Okay. Oh my god, guys. We haven't get nothing this pack opening. It's 8 packs left, we haven't get nothing. Just for Gandagan and Matuidi, I think. Check out. Oh my god, guys. I'm so sorry for this pack opening. Can get nothing. Can I get Messi, please, at least? A team of the season player. 7 packs left. 7 packs left. Sorry. Having it nothing. Cancelo. I guess you can. Oh my god, we have 20,000 coins at least. At least that means I can open a team of the season pack if I get something. I hope. Okay, please. I guess keep it. Oh, okay. Let me check. Oh no. I'm gonna keep it. Oh my god, it's 5 packs left, guys. We haven't get nothing. I'm gonna do the nose pack. That's help. Get me out, please. Keep. Look at Barry. Oh my god. Oh my god. Really? Oh my god, guys. We haven't get nothing. Please, FIFA, give me something. Okay, no, actually no. But I'm just gonna keep you. Oh my god. Haven't get nothing, guys. I don't know if I should stop recording because this is totally nothing. I haven't get nothing in this. William, I guess. CPU, fitness. Okay. Oh my god, guys, we haven't get nothing. Oh my god. Please. Two silver players in a gold pack. Oh my god. Just totally. 1 pack left. 1 pack left. Our last pack. Oh my god. Please, FIFA. Please. give me something. Please, please. Oh my god. Oh my god. Can check you something more. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. I don't know what to do here. This has been totally... Okay, so we're gonna open a team of the season pack. As I told you guys. I don't know what pack to open. I'm gonna open this pack because I wanna... Because I don't know. I'm gonna open this pack. So it's because I wanna be left with some kind, so I'm just gonna open this pack. Please, 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 please. Get me something, get me something. FIFA. Let the season very good thing. Oh my god. Oh my god, really? Really? Crouch? Oh my god. Okay guys, so this was the pack opening. I don't know, it was a totally... I didn't get nothing in this pack opening. Sorry for that. I don't know what to say, you guys. Well, if you like this video, please like. In the comment below. Yeah, comment something. And maybe tomorrow I'm gonna do I'm gonna do a pack opening again, and hope I get someone good. And yeah, subscribe. And that's all I think for today. Hope you like this video, and okay, here we go.